What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a dividend stock for you that's making a comeback since it's cut its dividend during the pandemic. The powerful dividend stock. Matthew Ramey gave me a tip-off with it because it was on his website. And this is one I had and then sold because I was a little bit upset with the dividend cut. But this is one that's back on my radar. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this stock out right now. That stock is WestRock, WRK. Has a dividend yield of 3.03%, a PE ratio of 10.35, average volume 2.24 million, market cap 9.22 billion US dollars. Day range is 30.08 to 54.78, huge dip. Day range is 36.20 to 36.72, and its previous close is 36.10. Now, again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. And I do not own this stock. I just want to make it clear. This is one that's on my radar. Looks very hot right now. So I'll go over these guys as a company. So to simplify things, thank you, Wikipedia. WestRock is a packaging company. They formed in July 15th. And they were a merger of two companies, Rock 10 and Midwestvaco. Hopefully I said that right. WestRock is the second largest American packaging company. It is one of the world's largest paper and packaging companies in the U.S. with $15 billion in annual revenue and 42,000 employees in 30 countries. The company is headquartered in Sandy Springs, Georgia, consolidating offices from Norcross, Georgia, in Richmond, Virginia. So let's go over these guys as a company. So here's these guys with their packaging solutions. They do with the markets that they target: beauty and personal care, beverage, commercial print, e-commerce, food service, healthcare, home and garden, luxury packaging, media and electronics, retail, tobacco. And then they have containers and displays. They also do consumer packaging solutions, folding cartons, specialty printing and packaging. They have recycling solutions, machinery solutions with automation, paper solutions on containerboard, craft paper, paperboard, and pulp. So that's one thing that's very interesting with these guys. So during the time, I'll go over a few more things with these guys, but specifically their dividend cut and how they're rebounding as a company, revenue-wise, and the demand for these guys is super high. So we'll check that out. So these guys were hit hard during the pandemic. So right here, but the stay-at-home orders only went into effect for the final 2 weeks of each quarter. Management's hasty moves to preserve cash suggest that investors should expect a more pronounced impact on operations during the 3-month period ending in June 2020. In addition to slashing their quarterly dividend, this is in 2020, WestRock will pay an annual incentive and company 401k contributions in common stock during the calendar of 2020. Business has also decided to reduce the fiscal 2020 capital investments from $1.1 billion to $950 million. Fiscal 2021 capital investments will be reduced to a midpoint of $7 million. So this is what happened during the pandemic. It was a crazy time. They went from 46 cents to 20 cents. So right here, they also had some issues to reduce debt by $1 billion through the fiscal 2021. So all this stuff hit them at once. So now we're going to go over recent news. So the recent news, this is a week ago, WestRock came out with quarterly earnings of $143 per share, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of $140 per share. This company's to earnings of $123 per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted non-recurring items. The quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 2.14%. A quarter ago, it was expected that this paper and packaging company would post earnings of $150 per share, but it actually produced earnings of $154, delivering a surprise of 2.67%. So over the past 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus of EPS estimates for 4 times. That is attractive. So WestRock, which belongs to Zacks paper and related products industry, posted revenues of $5.4 billion for the quarter ended in September 2022. missing the estimates by 1.44%. The company's year ago revenues of 5.09 billion. The company has topped consensus revenue estimates 2 times over the last 4 quarters. That's attractive. Now we're going to go to their revenue and dividend history. Total revenue previously. So as a company, their revenue has increased just about every year. So 2016, this is in millions US dollars, 14,171, 2017, 14,859, 2018, 16,285, 2019, 18,289, 2020, ouch, pandemic, 17,578, and then 2021, 18,746, and then 2022, 21,256. A huge increase in revenue. So the revenue is going up. They've rebounded very strong since the pandemic, which is very attractive. Now, let's check out their dividend history. This is what makes these guys a solid dividend stock. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description, but these guys are hot right now, which is why they're on my radar. Let's check this out. Let's start in 2015. It was 38 cents, and then 2016 it jumped to 40 cents. Then it jumped to 43 cents in 2018. 2019, it jumped to 46 cents. Then 2020, it jumped to 20 cents because of the dividend cut. So 47 cents to 20 cents. Then it's 24 cents. And then 2022, 25 cents. And then 28 cents. So the payout ratio is 21%. You see the dividend cut makes it minus 16.70. So the number of last dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. You can blame the pandemic there. So if you bought one share, you made 110 with a 3.05% dividend yield. So these guys are making a comeback. I wanted to post a video because these guys are back on track, and these guys are a very attractive dividend stock. And that's why they're on my radar. So if you guys are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Do you like WestRock? You tell me, as a dividend stock. So I'm going to try to squeeze one in Saturday and or Sunday, so just make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe to this channel if you're new. You guys take care and have a great Friday.